dollar index daily time frame, price is testing this key horizontal resistance 104. So last week it tested this level 2 times, and next one 105. This entire area is big resistance zone. So if candle close outside this resistance zone, then we can say clear breakout, dollar bullish. Maybe you can expect retest of 114 level, and that is only possible if you can see what is happening in next year 2024. Short term, you can sell retest of 105, or if this level does not break this week, then you can say dollar is bearish short term, because rate hike has ended. So maybe bullish trend of dollar based on Fed rate hike has ended. So resistance are these two level, but support is only 148 level. And since dollar was bullish on last 2 days of the week, Euro USD was coming down. It is again testing this lower trend line third time, your dynamic support level. If it break, then next can be your static support 0.6378. So next direction of Euro USD depends on this trend line. If it break out, sell retest and targeting next static support, or if trend line holds, then it can make new high above 1.13 level. Same with GBPUSD, it is also coming down. So first big support 24.27. This entire area is your support zone. But direction ultimately depends on where dollar will go this week, because you have many dollar news this week. Then next USDCAD, it is still trading below this key horizontal resistance. If it break out, then you can buy retest and you can target upper resistance zone. But below this resistance area 1.36, you can say this pair is bearish, and this can be your first static support level. USDCHF, it is again testing this key horizontal resistance zone. If it break out this week, then you can easily buy a retest on H1 time frame, and next target 98.52. Or if this level does not break, it comes down, then it can also make new lower low. Then USDJPY, it is not going anywhere, it is fixed at 146 level. But BOJ is giving signal almost every week about their future rate hike, and now they have new magical power. They can create recession in Japan without rate hike, while US is doing multiple hike and still there is no recession in USA, while Japan is saying no hike and monetary tightening. So these two are only big resistance level. If dollar become weak, then this pair can go down back to 137 level. If dollar becomes strong, then this will not stop before 151 level. Then CAD JPY, it is making this triangle chart pattern. Wait for breakout. If upper trend line breakout, then you can buy retest. But I am bearish on JPY pair. If lower trend line break after 3 retest, then sell retest and you can target up to 104 level. Then GBP JPY, no big change in wave counting and focus on 183 level. On lower time frame like H1, you can see it is making double bottom. So if this level break, then you can expect trend reversal after 5 impulsive wave. Because now this horizontal support and parallel channel almost at same place. So if this support level breakout, then you can easily sell retest and targeting 176 or 172 level. Then silver daily time frame, it is doing same as expected. It is showing big rejection on this trend line. Same with gold. Both are trading on a trend line on daily time frame. Both are testing a daily trend line third time. So either you wait for retracement level, maybe 50%, or retest of lower trend line, or breakout of upper trend line. Bitcoin daily time frame, this 25, 27 is your key horizontal support level. And you can see it has been tested many times. Above this level, you can say bullish Bitcoin, but below this level, bearish. And this was your perfect pump and dump, like you see in oil, gold, or Euro USD. Or this can be your double bottom on key horizontal support level. And if it is double bottom, then wait for breakout of neckline, then buy retest. But as an investor, you can buy on current support, but your SL should be below horizontal support level. For risk management, you must prepare for 50% retracement of this entire wave. And if that happen, you can buy on 23,649 level. But you can see it is trying, and this is third attempt after breakout, but this support is not breaking. So if Bitcoin does not break this support in upcoming weeks, then first target will be 28,000, then retest of neckline, and ultimately new higher high about 32k. Because I think this month you can see almost all G7 central bank can change their tone. This will not happen in first week, but slowly in next 30 days they can change their tone. Then US oil daily time frame, after so many weeks, 83 level is now broken and oil is flying, and price action is almost same after breakout of these two chart pattern. And right now price is in the middle and there is no resistance before 93. So if it comes down to test 83 level, you can buy on H1 because this is clear breakout. And technically next target is 93. Then SP 500 in the last, it break out this resistance, then retested 2 times, and now it is flying again. So if it make new high, then you can sell, but right now it is making sideways correction, and this correction can last up to September FOMC meeting, because in that FOMC meeting maybe Fed can officially say no more rate hike, and when rate hike end, next step is rate cut, and rate hike is sign of economic boom while rate cut is sign of economic weakness. So 4600 and 4300, these are your key horizontal support and resistance, and big change after FOMC meeting. Same with NASDAQ, it is also going up, and next resistance 16,000. If it make new high, then you can sell. Dow Jones Industrial Average, this time these have clear chart pattern, successfully tested trend line, and now it is going up again. And if it come down, then this white trend line can be your next dynamic support level. So this week, after that magical NFP number, if FOMC member tone change, if they sound hawkish, then dollar will go up. If they sound dovish, then dollar will go down. And for all currency pair, focus on these two horizontal resistance.